Now we're going to unbox the DuraFon Roam base station. First, we have the DuraFon Roam base station. Here we have a ceiling mounting bracket. This is the base antenna. A 1-foot Ethernet cable. A set of self-drilling anchors and a set of screws. Lastly, we include a power adapter. This is a 12 volt, 1 amp AC adapter. Now I'm going to show you how to properly install the reverse thread base antenna. Place the antenna on the base connector. Please remember that you have to tie it reverse thread. Finger tightened antenna will be sufficient. Now we're going to connect the base station to your local area network. Plug one side of the Ethernet cable to the base station. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable to your PoE powered switch. You will notice that all the LED lights will be solid on. Then all the LEDs will turn off momentarily, and then only the power LED will turn on. This means that the base station is still booting. A couple minutes after being plugged in, you will notice that now the LEDs on line 1, 2, 3, and 4 will begin to flash. This means that your base station is ready to be registered to your BSC controller. Alright, now we're back on the dashboard of the DuraFon Roam. If you notice, on the base inventory we got 0 bases, and on the handsets we got 0 handsets. In order to register a base station, you have to plug it in on the same subnet. Once you have done that, hover over to this menu on the left and click on the icon that says base stations. As you can see, the BSC controller has auto-discovered the base station. Simply hover over to the right and click Manage. Done! Your base has been registered successfully to your BSC controller. If we hover over back to the dashboard icon and we click on it, now you will see that your base station is fully online. On the next video, I will show you how to register a handset to your base controller.